Shiera Seastar was born in 178 AC, over 100 years before the events of Game of Thrones. She was the last illegitimate child of Aegon Targaryen IV, Daenerys' great-great-great-grandfather, also known as Aegon the Unworthy. He sired Shiera with his last mistress, Serene of Lys. Shiera was known as the most beautiful woman in the land. She had a heart-shaped face and the characteristic long silvery blonde hair of the Targaryens. She had a pair of mismatched eyes, one blue and one bright green, which the people said only added to her beauty. She wore a heavy silver necklace with alternating sapphires and emeralds which matched her eyes. She was known to be a sorceress and a seductress. She was desired all over the land, but never took a husband. Men would deal just for the privilege of sitting beside her, but it was her bastard half-brothers Brynden Rivers and Aegor Bittersteel who coveted her the most. No one knows what happened to Shiera. She's presumed dead, given she would have been over 100 years old when Robert's Rebellion took place, but no one knows for sure.